So the excellent Forex trading conditions are continuing well into lockdown. Are you taking advantage of these conditions or not? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach outside again today. Just wanted to get away from the computer and share some beautiful scenery with you here. Look, we're in week 5 of lockdown, but the great thing is that as a Forex trader, the incredibly good market conditions are continuing. A few people have said to me, hey Andrew, you know, with the financial markets that's slowing, is this going to have any impact? Well, right now, the Forex market conditions are incredibly good. To give you a few examples, I've been talking about a sell trade we took 2 weeks ago on the Euro-Canadian weekly chart. That is now still in great profit. That pair has dropped about 300 pips from high to low so far this week. The trade continues to go well. We took some trades on our 12-hour charts posted on our forum site that have worked out beautifully this week, make very good high reward to risk trades. We've had sell trades on the Euro Aussie, Euro US that have done well this week, hit the profit targets. Right now I'm still in on a buy trade on gold that's going really well on the daily chart as well. All mentioned on our membership site for clients to follow along, to not only learn from, but also to earn from. I held a live webinar last night for clients. We had over 100 people on there, and that's a great thing with lockdown, getting lots of people attending the client webinar live and attending the forum site. But I took a sell trade on the franc yen. It made about a 1.5 to 1 reward to risk, and it did it in, I think, about half an hour. And there again, makes full profit in front of people live on a webinar. So great trading conditions are there. So really it comes down to, that's all well and good for me to say, yeah, we're taking lots of great trades. But really the purpose of this video is to try and, is to ask you a question, is like, what are you doing about this? You know, when it comes to time, for most people around the world, we're still in lockdown. We're in week 5 or just about to start week 5 of lockdown here in New Zealand. We can't really go anywhere. And most people are in a similar situation or worse around the world. And so what are you doing about this? I made a video about 3 weeks ago saying, well, what are you doing to take advantage of these conditions? And now here we are 3 weeks later. Have you answered that? Are you taking advantage of some extra time that you may have to do something about this? Because look, realistically, economically, things are pretty grim out there. Here in New Zealand, things are pretty bad. You know, even here in Nelson, Air New Zealand have just pulled out with 100 jobs in the maintenance here in Nelson. The company who I use personally for helicopter maintenance, they've gone. You know, that's just 2 groups of people who I know of, but there are thousands and thousands of others that, you know, the jobs have just gone everywhere. I was reading a report from the States, I've got it here, 26 million jobless claims in the last 5 weeks. 26 million just in the US, you know, and what's going to be the knock-on effect from this? So it really is a great opportunity. You know, people say that the phrases, you know, for every bad outcome, there's a gain to be made, or whatever the phrase is, you know what I mean? Try to find the positives in the situation that we all find ourselves in right now and do something about it to improve things for you financially, mentally, whatever it might be, for you, your family going forward. And really that's what this video is about, is to say, look, there are opportunities out there. The Forex market is probably one of the very best for you to look at getting into. If it interests you, it has to interest you. It has to be something that you really want to do. Don't just do it because I say so or because you see it as a quick fix or easy money. If you're doing that, you're in it for the wrong reason. If you want to do it to better yourself, future-proof yourself, for the finance, for the educational benefits from it, and the rewards that are potentially there from it, then they are the reasons why you need to jump into it. But look, a great opportunity. The market is still absolutely buzzing. It's a prime time for you to jump into it if you want to. So I'll leave it at that. Look, you know where to find us. We're at the forextradingcoach.com. I hold webinars each week for new traders and for the more experienced traders. But as a client, you get so much that we're just finding that people are just absolutely loving. I'm getting comment after comment from people saying, look, this is the most professional course I've ever joined. This is the most well run. Your answers are always quick. They're prompt. You're real traders. We're trading in front of people on webinars. We're posting trades on the forum site. We're posting trades on our daily membership site. This is real stuff. This is not just people running around on stage promoting, selling stuff. We're real people. And we cover the globe, clients in 88 countries at the last count. And so on the forum site, there's always someone there typing in questions, asking, answering questions, posting trades, etc. So it doesn't matter where you live in the world, you can do this if it's something you're interested in. So that's it for me for now. I'll see you this time next week with any updates to the trades that I've mentioned. And as always, if you have any information, any questions that you'd like me to cover on future videos and podcasts like this, just send me an email to andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. Bye for now.